Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody out there. It's a great time to be alive, and thank you for showing up every time, guys. I appreciate it. We got lots to talk about. Remember, now this is financial advice, guys. The crypto markets are pumping right now. Things are looking very, very good. So that is cool beans out there, guys. But keep in mind, we do have a major, could be a potential major problem. Could be kind of like another FTX out there. It could be happening. Could be on the verge of happening. We're gonna have to be very careful about that. And as you guys know, the Genesis, we already know that they asked for money. Everyone said no, you're not getting any, and they're basically bankrupt out there. Now, keep in mind that there is Grayscale as well. It's also part of the same company, right? So they're part of the DCG group, guys, and that is very important that you guys know that. Also, the CoinDesk is also owned by the DCG group as well, right? Digital crypto group out there. So DCG is also one of the big OTC players as well, and this is a massive company. So we have Genesis and we have potentially Grayscale could be in trouble. We know Genesis is, but Grayscale could also be in trouble as well. So if that happens and DCG goes down, that could spell trouble with a capital T. But the Doge Washer is pumping like crazy right now, so that is pretty good news, guys. So hopefully you guys are feeling better. I'm feeling a lot better. My portfolio is better. Dogecoin is pumping right now, and I did tell you that Dogecoin was going to break out the upside, so that is good, guys. So let's jump into content without any further delay, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Great time to be alive. We're seeing that right now the pre-markets are looking very, very good. Everything is up very slightly, so kind of neutral out there. So at least we're in the green zone. Hopefully we don't have to get Annabelle. I did take Annabelle off the wall, so she's not stuck upside down anymore. So she's hiding. She's hiding now because the market's going up. So we released her. We released her out there. So if you take a look at the crypto markets right now, I definitely don't need the sunglasses out there. We're seeing beautiful green, and we're not seeing light green. We are absolutely seeing some dark greenness out there, so that is pretty positive. And it looks like everything is looking good, guys and gals. So that is cool beans, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. Let's get it, guys. So we're seeing that the markets have screamed back at up about 5.85%. So that is good, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up. We're seeing Ethereum is up 7.40%. So good news, bears. We're seeing Cardano. We're seeing our beautiful Doge Washer is breaking out like crazy. And I did tell you in the morning that, we had a huge technical pattern that would see us breaking out. We had a bull flag, and I called it exactly, and we are breaking out to the upside, so that is pretty good. So everything is looking good. DXY is just following our pattern. I expect it to go to peak at around about 108, and then it should start dipping, come back up again, and go down. That is what I'm doing. That is what I'm calling, guys. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, I did say that, Bitcoin is ready to pump or ready to jump. So technically, it looks like we're doing pretty good on the daily, and Bitcoin is trading at 16,608, and that is up right now about 2.41%, so looking pretty good. So hopefully this will invalidate this downward trend line. But guys, remember 2025 is when we're going to see the next big next big bull session out there. So guys, keep an eye on that. And I've got something really juicy, something really good to show you that kind of gives a good explainer and a good prediction of where we could see Bitcoin coming, and what are some interesting buy zones and some price targets that guys need to be aware of. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to definitely be talking about that. We're going to jump into that. So Bitcoin on the weekly right now is forming a green candle. We've got 4 days, 13 hours. We're seeing the volumes. The volumes last week were just humongous, and that was a lot of people panic selling. A lot of retailers did sell. We're going to be showing you some data to support that as well in a second. But we did see a lot more sell side than buy side. So it looks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin muster Thanksgiving rally. So happy Thanksgiving out there, everybody. We're going to see a huge rally coming. So that is pretty good. And I'm not going to talk about it because you guys know there's a rally. We're experiencing the rally as we live and breathe, guys. So that's kind of cool. Now remember also, it looks like crypto wallet for JP Morgan, and that's America's biggest bank out there. Now remember Jamie Dimon, our friend Jamie Dimon, remember he was a big Debbie Downer, and he said crypto's crypto, Bitcoin's dead, don't invest, blah, 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 blah. And then suddenly he's changing his tunes. And now look, I told you that. If you guys go back a year ago, I did tell you that, basically Jamie Dimon, the king of FUD, the king of deception out there, he was spreading FUD. Don't buy Bitcoin. But all along, JP Morgan was buying Bitcoin. JP just TM the cryptocurrency. And now they have crypto wallets. Like, go figure, guys. Absolutely go figure what's going on. Now, here's a big question. Does Sam Bankman-Fried own $100 million stake in Elon Musk Twitter? What do you guys think? Do you think he owns? Let's read. Let's talk about it. So according to a recent report from Samar, Twitter's executive Elon Musk texted SBF in early May inviting him to roll over his public Twitter shares into a stake into the company, the report claimed. So Bankman, Convertible Chicken Man, owns a sizable chunk of the privately held and debt-laden Twitter. And Musk, who had been publicly distanced himself from the crypto impersonator, and since FTX failed, now counts himself as a financial partner in the efforts to remake Twitter. So it does look like Sam Bankman-Fried does have some stake in Twitter and owns about $100 million out there. So looks like Sam Bankman-Fried reportedly owns $100 million stake in Elon Musk Twitter. But remember, FTX is bankrupt, guys. So those shares are going to go into receivership. And then Elon Musk says false. Also, business is still not in real publication, just to give you a heads up. So nobody really knows out there if this is true or not. We'll have to wait and see, guys. So what do you guys think? Do you think Sam Bankman-Fried owes a piece of Twitter out there? Let's get it, guys. Tell me what you think. So, guys, this is really interesting. This is from Dollar Currency 21. I thought I would share this. For the next bull market, you need a plan. Are you ready? So right now we're seeing that right now we are around about this area here, right? 2022, around about here. So we are here. It looks like that, he's saying that it could be a good buy zone between 9,000 and 12,000. So remember, I did say that my technical support level is around about 13,500, around that area. So he's predicting that we could be seeing a buy zone between 9,500 and 12,000. So this gap between the price and the Kumo cloud will be filled. So he's predicting that this gap between the Kumo cloud and here could be filled, and we could be seeing a $9,500 to $12,000 buy zone. So if that happens, I'm not worried because I will stock up. I will absolutely stock up on Bitcoin. That is a fact. So, and then he says that inflation will be around about 3 to 4.5% in this zone. And that is as we enter into the early part of June, as we enter into the early part of 2024. We should see that inflation will be around about 3 to 4.5, so that is okay. And then we should start to see some moves. Then we could see a pump all the way to about $72,000, and that should be, we should hit about $72,000 in March 2025, and then there should be a huge, big, giant fake out, and that will take Bitcoin back down to 20,000. So that is what people are thinking. That is what a Dollar Currency 21 is thinking. What do you guys think about that? But guys, keep in mind, if we can get in to Bitcoin at let's say an average of 10,000 and sell at around about 72,000, that is good, guys. That is good. So tell me, will you be buying Bitcoin if it goes down to 9,500? Will you be buying Bitcoin if it goes down to $12,000? Will you be buying Bitcoin at its current price? I'd love to hear what you got to say about that. We got some Dogecoin news coming in. So BTC drop below 15.8K has caused many traders to finally exit. So we have seen that, we have seen a lot of traders have exited, and most of those are retail traders. But the whales are still buying. I'm still buying, and a lot of the smart money is still buying, guys. We're seeing the word is crypto, DEAD out there. Has been rapidly circulating, and we've seen that this has happened, and as one of the more bearish sentiment words, this is a sign of traders giving up on markets, rebounding. Ironically, this is when capitulation typically happens. So a lot of retail investors, a lot of people are saying it's DEAD out there, it's DOA out there, and this is when you guys should be buying. Absolutely should be buying around this time, guys. Also, guys, Elon responded here. Breaking news. Remember I talked about that Elon Musk shows that Twitter employees must send Elon Musk weekly updates on everything that we worked on. And Elon kind of tweeted back to Unusual Whales, and they said, perhaps not unreasonable to know if anything was accomplished. So basically he's telling us, yeah, he is asking people to report what they're doing. So that's fine, guys. That's fine. Also coming in from Mustache right now, the moment of truth. The trend line has already held for 5.5 years. May it make it or break it. So we are seeing that this trend line here, this is the Bitcoin on the weekly. This trend line has always held. Will we break it or will we make it? I think we're going to make it, guys. Absolutely, I think we're going to make it. It's a good time to be alive. So Dogecoin is pumping exactly as predicted. I told you this was going to happen. Dogecoin to the freaking moon. And if you love Dogecoin like I love Dogecoin, don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin 111, and don't forget to smash 555. Show some love and support for the community out there. And guys, if you're watching, don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to go down there and give some super chats or super thanks. I appreciate it. Absolutely, I appreciate it out there. What else is coming in? The number of Bitcoin addresses holding 0.1 plus coins just reached an all-time high. So people are still hodling. People are still loving, and people still have a lot of conviction. This is from Billy Marcus, a Dogecoin developer, a Dogecoin founder out there. Breaking everything. Everywhere is a shit show, and behind the scenes always has been, always will. So what he's saying is that everything is a mess. It always has, Bitcoin always has, crypto always has these turbulent times, and we're just seeing more of the usual stuff, guys. So that is what that is all about. So nothing too shabby to write home about. Now I thought I'd share this again, guys. So we can see this is historically optimal time to allocate Bitcoin, as all prior Bitcoin cycles had bottomed by this point in the halving. We have less than 100 days until the other cycles went vertical. So I'm getting very excited, not financial advice, and we're seeing a huge value zone. So this is probably a good time to be buy the dips, dollar cost average. Don't put all your dry powder in all at once, guys. Don't absolutely do that. Say goodbye to the old all-time highs. Can be like a divorce. Feel like it's over forever, guys. Come on. We saw this all-time high. Every time we see the all-time highs and the breakdown, we see another all-time high. All-time high breakdown, another all-time high. All-time high breakdown, another all-time high. So it's just a matter of time, guys. We're going to rebound. We're going to go to the moon, guys. Breaking, Sam Bankman-Fried reportedly owns 95% of mainstream media. What's up with that? I don't know. Billy Marcus is tweeting that. I really don't know what this is all about. I need to do some fact check, guys. What do you think? He does out there. So we're seeing that the number of Bitcoin, is going up. The number of Bitcoin being hodled is going up. The number of Bitcoin on exchanges is going down, as I talked about. So you can see here that the amount of Bitcoin exchange is going down, down. This is a good sign, guys. More people are holding. People are not selling. We still got a huge amount of conviction. What is going on with Dogecoin right now? Dogecoin is up 5.79%. That is fantastic. You're loving it. I'm loving it, guys. Let's dive into Dogecoin right now. Let's get it. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And we're seeing the Dogecoin is up almost 10%. We're seeing the volumes are down. That's interesting. But we are seeing the market cap is getting closer to 11 billion out there. So that is good. The amount of people that are in the money is about, let me give this a minute to refresh out there. It's been a busy day at work. 54% in, 40% out. Not too shabby out there. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin, as I said, this is where we went up. I said we are going to break out to this point. We've gone up today. There's been a little bit of consolidation, and we're about at the midway in this candle on the 4-hour. But things are looking pretty good. I think we're going to continue to break out to the upside. Let's take a look at what's going on the daily right now. Let me go on the daily, clean up the chart. So we are seeing that on the daily, Dogecoin is following my predicted pattern. When we had this bull flag, we're going to have a breakout day. So it's looking pretty good, guys. Looking fantastic. I love it. You love it. So let's get it, guys. Dogecoin is looking pretty strong out there. And I think Dogecoin, definitely we could see Dogecoin probably breaking past 9 cents very soon. Let's hope we don't get this DCG contagion, this collapse of grayscale out there, because that's going to just send things down. Let's take a look at what is going on right now with Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby, it has come back. It's gone back into my support zone. It still needs to delete a 0 out there. Let's go Shiba Weeby. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum right now is closing back in on our $1,200 level right now. So it's closing back in. So that is looking pretty good. But let's hope this is not a fake out. Let's really pray that DCG does digital currency growth Digital Crypto Group does not. It's actually Digital Currency Group. My bad. Does not collapse, because if Grayscale collapses, it's not going to be good. It's going to take the whole markets down, guys. So all I got to say out there, it's a great day. It's a good day. It's a pump up day. We definitely needed that. You needed that. I needed that out there. So I'm feeling a lot better about crypto. You should be feeling a lot better about crypto. It is a great time to be alive, guys. So, guys, once again, go down there, smash the likes, show some love, and don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. And I also forgot to mention, guys, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off, get a hardware wallet. You've got to do that. OMG, I'm begging you out there. Be safe out there. So, guys, we got 5,188 follows. Follow, smash the like, subscribe. Do it right now, guys. Don't forget to check out all the links below. And if you guys are not getting notifications, I'm telling you, go join the Discord. It's right down there. Get the Discord. You will not miss the notifications out there. The Now Ledger hardware wallet also down there. Get it. Guys, get the merch gear with OG gear. So that is it, guys. That's absolutely it. Be well, be blessed. Don't panic out there. Things are looking pretty good. Dollar cost average. Buy what you can, if you can. Not that financial advice. And wait for life-changing wealth. And 2025 Bitcoin is going to be reaching a new all-time high. Are you ready? Are you ready out there? Do you have the moxie, guys? I'll see you next one. Peace out.